Welcome to the incredible nature photography. My name is Avanindra and I will be taking you through the steps of using Adobe Lightroom. Lightroom is an editing software by Adobe best suited for photographers. It can also be considered as the only software a photographer needs. Why Lightroom? Lightroom is a photo organizing and photo editing software. Lightroom helps you organize your pictures in a way you want it. It catalogs your pictures with the help of keywords. Keywords could be anything. Example, name of the place, name of a family member, or even the camera's make and the lens make. You can also geotag your pictures using the map option and see all the places you have visited on a map. It is also a powerful photo editing software. It is mainly used to edit raw format files, but it gives you the freedom to edit pictures clicked in any format. Color correct them, crop or rotate them, or even brighten and sharpen them undestructively. What do I mean by undestructively? Come back to know what it means in the following episodes. What else can I do with Lightroom? You can do lots of things. Use it to create slideshows, presentations for friends, families or clients. You can export this slideshow as a PDF or a video. It is also easy to use this software to create web pages. Just use the built-in templates. This software also helps you create photo books for your images, add text, banners or change the page layout. This was just a brief about what Lightroom is capable of. Now let's begin with how Lightroom manages your pictures in a catalog. Understanding catalogs. Picture yourself in a library. You are surrounded by thousands of books. You are looking for a particular book, let's say a book on Lightroom. You look around and wonder where this book could be. After walking around for a while, in vain, you give up and search for the librarian. You tell her the name and the author of the book. She smiles at you and says, "No need of searching. All the books have been catalogued." She goes to the catalog shelf and towards a section containing the books on software. She browses for a minute and locates the location of the book instantly. She gives you instructions to go to a particular floor in a particular section on a particular shelf. Voila! There's your book. Lightroom also works on the same principle. It catalogs all your pictures using keywords that you have provided.